Industrial welding is transforming. Faster setups, autonomous intelligence, and zero programming. This is the RIWD Free Teaching Welding Station from Robot Industries, built for precision, speed, and true plug-and-play automation. Designed as a modular industrial platform, the system adapts instantly to different parts and workflows. Just plug and weld. No programming, no teaching, just industrial welding. In Scenario 1, the robot recognizes the part directly on the station, analyzing geometry and generating the welding path automatically within seconds. In Scenario 2, simply upload a 3D CAD model. The station converts it into a ready-to-run weld program with zero adjustments. And in Scenario 3, advanced 3D vision takes over. A high-resolution camera scans the part, builds a real-time 3D model, and generates the welding trajectory fully automatically. No CAD, no teaching, completely autonomous. For single parts or large batches, the system delivers consistent industrial-grade welding with minimal setup time. Made by Robot Industries, GmbH, modular industrial stations. Just plug and weld. Let the robots work for you.